Agents interact with patients using QliqSOFT's online virtual visit dashboard. Using this dashboard, you can chat with patients in real time, share documents, images, and surveys, as well as conduct video calls. We recommend agents practice and become comfortable with the following workflow before their first live patient interaction. Start a conversation with the patient by clicking the blue chat button. Search for the patient in the patient directory, or if they are a new patient, create them on the fly by just entering their name and clicking the Create Patient button. Next, enter their phone number or email address. Type the message you want to send with a secure link and click Start Conversation. All active invitations will be shown in the Invite Sent tab. If you need to resend the invite or edit the phone number or email address, you can do so here by clicking Resend. When a patient clicks the invitation link, the online conversation begins. Depending on how your organization utilizes virtual visits, the patient may be interacting with an automated chatbot or chatting with a live agent. If a chatbot is being used, agents can view the status of the conversation by clicking on the patient's name in the waiting room tab. Once they complete the initial interaction, the patient stays in the waiting room until an agent is available to meet. To interact with the patient, click the Take Over button. This automatically assigns you to the conversation and moves the patient out of the waiting room. You can also assign the patient to another agent on duty by selecting their name from the Reassign drop-down menu. Once assigned to a conversation, you can begin chatting with the patient immediately. Type messages manually or select Frequently Used Quick Messages found just to the right of the text field. You can also share forms with the patient by using the Quick Forms button. These forms vary in nature, but can range from simple patient satisfaction surveys to more complex medical history forms. You can even request a patient digitally sign a consent form right from their mobile device. Images and other documents can also be uploaded and shared with the patient right from the dashboard. When quick interactions are needed, you can use the video conference feature. Simply click the blue icon found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Both you and the patient will receive a prompt asking, "Would you like to start a video chat?" Accepting this prompt will turn on the webcams for both you and the patient. Video from both cameras will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. To end the call, simply click the red phone button. At the end of every video call, you will be prompted to mark the conversation as closed. Only click this button if the patient visit is indeed complete. In cases where video is not used or you need to continue the online chat with the patient, always be sure to mark every completed patient interaction as closed. You can do this by clicking on the Status drop-down menu and select Close. You will then be prompted to confirm this action. Selecting Close moves the patient chat from Assigned to Me to Closed Conversations, where it can be reviewed at a later date. This concludes the Virtual Visits agent training. For more information about virtual visits, visit QliqSOFT.com.